Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So tomorrow is 13 July 2021 and here we are preparing for all the upcoming banking examinations like the SBI clerk mains also, then RRB PO prelims and mains also, and then IBPS clerk and PO exams also. So we are covering all the exams here. The to-do list will be updated according to the upcoming examinations. So you need not to worry about these things. Plus one more thing is that at the last of the video I will discuss how to manage the time for this to-do list. Okay, and it is going to be very important. So just wait till the last to understand how to manage this to-do list, how to manage your time on regular basis so that you don't get bored of the studies plus you don't get frustrated also. Okay, so the first thing is mains mock test solve. So tomorrow I have not kept anything separate for maths, reasoning and English also. You have to just solve one mains mock test and I will tell you how. First you have to submit this mock test and then you have to solve the questions accordingly, and the mock test you will use will be from Olive Board. I will give you the link of the free mock test of Olive Board because the content of Olive Board is very good, like the mains content is top notch level, so we can rely on Olive Board blindly. So try to use that mock test. It will be free. Okay, do not worry about that thing. The mock test is totally free, so the link will be given in description. Submit that mock test, otherwise you can attempt it also, but just try to do maths and reasoning mainly. If you want then you can do English also. Okay, but we will discuss all the things in the last, how you can manage everything. So after doing the mains mock test, analyze this mock test, okay, and then make a list of your weak areas. Like if you are weak in quantity 1, quantity 2 questions, or if you are weak in data sufficiency, if arithmetic is your weak portion, or like the mains puzzles, anything, you just make the list of your weak areas. Okay, and then work on your weak areas on daily basis. But for this you have to attempt this mains mock test, okay, to know about your strong and weak areas. After doing the mains mock test, there is May 100 question. So I will give you the target for previous current affairs revision, because yesterday I read one comment that you should give target for covering previous current affairs, like previous month's current affair for SBI clerk mains and RRB mains also. So tomorrow I will cover May 100 question and answer PDF and then the daily current affairs also. And for current affairs I am using Affairs Cloud. So because Affairs Cloud's content is best, like they do not leave any current affair, they cover the 100% current affairs, so you can completely rely on their current affairs. I will give you the link of their current affair course in the description, and by using my code you will get 10% discount also. Because, and one more thing is that I am not using any other source rather than Affairs Cloud, because when we start following many sources for current affairs, then whenever we find any new source we try to read that also and our time gets wasted. So we should revise one thing 8 times rather than covering the current affairs from 8 sources. So this is my thinking and you can also follow it, and we can remember the current affairs more efficiently if we revise them again and again, and if we follow one detailed source. Okay, then I will cover banking awareness. So for banking awareness you can use any online PDFs. You have to just know the definition of the statements. Okay, so you can use any PDF for banking awareness, otherwise you can go for YouTube sessions also. Then try to focus on vocab for mains examination, because in mains there are many questions based on vocabulary. So try to focus on vocabulary separately. Okay, then reading of editorial is must for English, for mains and prelims level both. You can revise the vocab while reading the editorial also. Okay, then there is one arithmetic chapter practice. So I will tell you now how to cover these things, like how to manage all these things. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, there are 7 things. I will tell you how I manage my time, okay, and how you, like, your mind does not feel fed up while studying these things. First of all, I would like to inform you is that you will need around 10 to 11 hours to complete this to-do list. Now you will say that these hours are many, but there is no alternate of hard work. Okay, if you want to go ahead of others, then you have to put extra hard work for achieving the things which you are dreaming of. So you will need around 10 to 11 hours, and I will tell you an ideal schedule like how you can cover these things. Okay, so when you will wake up, you will do current affairs first. After doing the daily current affairs, like it will take around 1 hour maximum. First watch the video of Affairs Cloud and then read the question and answer PDF. Okay, so the daily current affairs will take maximum 1 hour. After doing the daily current affairs, then what you can do is try to solve the maths from mains mock test. Okay, because you need to keep your mind fresh while solving the difficult questions. So after covering daily current affairs for 1 hour, jump to mains level mock test and attempt maths or reasoning any section from the mains mock test. After solving one difficult section like maths or reasoning from the mains mock, then you have to jump on to editorial. Read the editorial. It will, like for the covering one subject from mains mock test, it will take around 1.5 hours. Then read the editorial. For reading editorial, you will only need half hour. So we have completed around, so 1 hour here, 1 hour here, 3.5 hours. Okay, so we have done 3.5 hours study. After reading the editorial, what you have to do, solve English from the mains mock test, and for solving English it will take maximum 1 hour. Okay, because English is not something which we have to solve, we only have to mark the questions and we only have to read the answers. Okay, like the concept behind the answers. So it will take around 1 hour to cover English. After covering English, what you have to do is you have to cover this thing, previous month's current affair revision. Okay, after doing previous month's current affair revision, you have to do this thing, one arithmetic chapter practice. Otherwise you can move to reasoning also. Okay, like I am simply, if I say in simple words, try to cover one difficult subject and one easy subject alternatively, because in this process, if you do two hard subjects regularly, like if you do reasoning after maths, then your mind will get frustrated because there will be a lots of pressure on your mind. Your mind have to think very much. So try to focus and try to change the level of your mind. Like at one time it is thinking too much for the hard level questions, and in the other time, like in the other hour, it is only reading things. Okay, there is no need to put extra pressure on the mind. So just try to do one easy thing, after that one hard thing. Okay, and the RRB PO prelims mocks will also be included, so you don't have to worry about that also. And if you are weak in English, then a separate video of how to improve English will be uploaded soon, and I am writing all your queries, like all your weak areas, and I will keep making the videos on these topics. Okay, the videos will be uploaded in like the upcoming weeks, in upcoming 1 week, so you don't have to worry about your weak areas also. I will tell you the things which you can do to improve your subjects. So this is what you have to do. Okay, and we have covered almost everything for the mains examination. We have not left anything. Like we are covering the daily current affairs, we are revising the previous month's current affairs, then we are doing banking awareness also. Okay, then we are solving the mains mock test for all the rest of the 3 subjects. Then we are doing editorial for improving our English, and we are doing arithmetic for make our concept strong, make our basics strong. Okay, so that's all for tomorrow. I hope you all can complete these targets and tell me. And one more thing is that do not get demotivated if you are not able to complete these targets. Okay, try to lower these targets. Like if you are not able to complete, then try to solve 2 mains level DIs, then 2 mains level puzzle if you are not able to solve the whole mains mock. And other than that, try to solve the miscellaneous questions from the mains mock test. Like for reasoning, you can solve the other miscellaneous questions and then do only two mains level puzzles. This is you can do. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day, and all the best for your